The Wellbeing Portal is a digital platform that supports access to early help and prevention services in Wrexham for children, young people and their families. It's very much a collaboration project with 29 services that have signed up to be part of the portal.
This is a digital solution that provides 7-day-a-week access for families at any time of day and empowers individuals to ask for help and get support in a way that they need, but also enables us to provide timely support from the right providers and reducing the number of referral points.
I think when families are going through that point in their life when they need the support, it really helps that they've only got to have that initial conversation once. They haven't got to go around to different organisations, repeating everything that's going on for them. So I do think that's really useful that they can say it once and then get the support at the right time.
And families don't really want services in their lives, you know, they're experts of their own situation. So taking that power for themselves and realising that they can do things themselves, that's, I think, a really big plus point.
The work that's gone on is taken a significant amount of time to get to where we are now, and to see actually all of that hard work come to fruition is just an amazing achievement. Everybody that's been involved has really seen the benefits of the portal and has really had that kind of drive to want to make sure that it actually is successful. So that's just been an amazing thing to witness all the way through.